One of the reasons I love real estate so much, I get to meet people all day. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Bye, next time. So it's all about developing and maintaining that relationship. What can I say? I'm a social butterfly. It's all about the excitement that my clients get when they just realize their goal of home ownership or investment property or just getting into their first time rental. That feeling is what excites me. I remember my first VA transaction. Oh my gosh, I'll never forget it. My team and I worked day and night to make sure that we closed that deal. And because of my hard work, because of my persistency and my dedication, that helped develop a relationship beyond the sale. My name is Sacha Roude. Let me help you find your spot.